Hi traders, it's Anthony here. Okay, you might notice this 20/20. This is the win rate that we're getting with these breakout signals on this particular chart. Okay, some charts are better than others, and I've gone through and selected a handful of charts, and some time frames are better than others. So this is on a 5-minute time frame. Waves paired with USDT. We're looking at these breakout signals or alerts that we're getting, and looking back without any technical analysis, no reference to higher time frame. This has produced a 20 out of 20 win rate. Simple strategy. Get the breakout. We're looking for pullback, and we take the short on the pullback, and some of the results are extraordinary. Generally, we're looking to enter and close 80% at 1 times the average true range. We've got that down here, whatever that is. Measure it with the measure tool if you like, or the short position or the long position tool. That'll give you the measurement. Take 80% early and then trail that 20% stop loss above the dots here, well, slightly above, and then you can pull the stop loss down and trail the price. If you want to, at some stage, after it's ranging through here, but once we see it start to trend, you can pull your stop loss down and follow these dots, and then just let the market take you out wherever it decides to pull back. That's the strategy in a nutshell. And this win rate is extraordinary. Some of these charts are really good to trade. This one, breakout, pull back into the mean. Here it is. Okay, again, so we're looking for the pullback into the mean here. There's your long. Close 80% early and let 20% run. This one here, a short, pull back into the mean. We're looking for 80% at 1 times the ATR. Call it 19 out of 20 if you want to, but that's a winning trade. Once you close 80%, you pull your stop loss into break even or better, and you let it run, basically. Okay, so we can go back and have a quick look at these. And yep, you're welcome to click on the link below the video and gain access to the indicators. Okay, breakout, long on the pullback here, and you got a little bit out of that, depending on how well you read the market. But if your stop loss is under the cloud, I should say, then the outcome there, well, you know where that ended up, pretty much. Let's just close that up and have a look. Nice trade. Okay, so that you could have followed that all the way through. I can go back and assure you that every one of these, at least, you've taken your 80% out. This one here, pull back, go short, and you're closing 80% at 1 times the average true range. Again here, pull back, go long, close 80% at 1 times the ATR. Stop loss under, and you could have cleared that, and depending on how well you read the market and where you place your stop loss, these will get you in to a trend early on. So there's the pullback, there's your trade. Okay, every one of these was a winning trade. Guys, jump on board with me. I'm doing videos on this every day. 80% here, stop loss under, and there's an outcome. The link is in the description below. Pull back, short it, there's your outcome. Right, I've marked out each one of these, and yeah, we go back. This is the benefit of this system. Have a look at this. Okay, now look at this trend here. How far back do you want to go? Okay, there's your alert down here. This is the kind of trade you want. There's the pullback, and yeah, you know where that went. Okay, you just ride this all the way, milk it for everything it's worth. Look at that. This is, without a doubt, I spend my entire waking life, I trade full time, but just developing systems says you take 80% but then follow the rest down. I've always been looking for the holy grail of systems, alerts, and I spend my entire waking life streamlining my process, my trading process. I trade for a living. I can't afford to lose money, So, this is what I do. I started trading in 2002, stock markets. First thing I did was scalping BMW. And I lost my entire account. Whoops, hang on, I've lost it. Back then, it was a long time ago. I think every successful trader has to go through that. Take 80%. 1 times the average true range. So you can see how this is working. I think we've gone back 20 trades already. Oh no, there's still some more. Anyway, it's just more of the same. But some of these that get you in early on the trend are absolutely brilliant. That's short-lived. You come in on the pullback here or here, take your 80% and you're out, or if you entered here, that's no problem. But it's these ones here, close your 80% early, keep taking money out of the markets, and then ride the rest of it. Just follow it all the way up. Look at that, honestly. So anyway, guys, I think I'll just wrap it up at that. Jump on board with me. The link is below the video. Yeah, I do full training sessions on these, my tutorials. I've got a Telegram group. I post live real-time signals, and every trade that I post into my Telegram, I follow up with a video tutorial. With that, have a great day, and look forward to seeing you in Telegram.